What's going on? Yo, what's going on? It's Friday, last day, well, last trading day of the month, that is. Pretty good day yesterday. We do have a bunch of holidays today, though. Literally have a GBP holiday, we have a Euro holiday, we have a Swiss franc holiday, and we have a Canadian holiday. We do have some USD news, but we have a lot of holidays going on. And my indices and some of my gold charts kind of crashed during the news yesterday. I don't know what that's about. Let me try to find another source to use because like all these crashed. Even gold crash. I don't know what happened. What price? Of course, what happened to price yesterday? It was like after the news or slash like yeah, like after the news. It's like the USD charts kind of just crashed. We're still going to be watching GP New Zealand for possible buys. Still holding my positions from yesterday or from this week entirely, really, but specifically from yesterday's huge move. So the first position, because I ended up taking two positions on this, looking for a third position right here. So if GN can hold 1130, 1135 as support, we can look for continued buys going into 1205, and then possibly 1280. So that's what we're looking for right here. Currently up around, well, at the peak, I was up almost six times my risk. Now I'm kind of around, well, not five times my risk right now still. So that means whatever I entered and risked, I'm up five times that amount. So if I risked $100, I'm up around $500. If I risked $1,000, I'm up around $5,000 on this one position. Then I took the second position here. I'm up around three times my risk. If I bring it down to where it's currently at, I'm up around 2.5 times my risk on this position. So we're just chilling in that right there. Watching GJ, but again, this entire week GJ's been just stuck in place. Right? This was Monday. We're on a daily time frame. Look here. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then today, so prices just kind of been just chilling. And then we got holidays today. We're going to be looking for sales on Euro USD still. I think it is projected from yesterday and on Wednesday. So we're looking for a retracement. So if Euro USD can retrace to around 790, we can look for down to 760 and possibly 730. So that's what we're looking at and looking for right now. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description of the free signal for your Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. What's going on, JD? What's going on? Could we set a sell limit according to your chart? I mean, technically you could. I mean, if you know how to do it, but I don't do that. If you're asking, do I do it? No. All right. I don't know if it's your first time on the live stream. You watch any of my lives or any of my trade breakdowns, I never say set buy or sell limits. We wait for confirmations because as we've seen multiple times this week and this month, just because price breaks a level doesn't mean it's going to hold that level. A perfect example is literally right here. Price broke this level, but did it hold this level as support, continue to buy? No. So if you want to put a buy limit here or a buy stop, instead of just waiting an hour to see that confirmation, you could have avoided an unnecessary loss and actually catch the actual move just by simply waiting for the retracement and confirmation. But I manually enter all my trades. I don't use bots. I don't I sell limits. I manually enter all my trades. Oh yeah, it's around that time. Yep, it's around that time. I know y'all gonna be crazy this weekend for sure. And then GJ, same thing, just taking that chilling. So we're just patiently waiting right now. Got a new video dropping for you later on today. I haven't seen my video from yesterday. Not yesterday, from when I dropped that. I think I dropped that on Tuesday. Make sure to check that out. I'm going to drop that in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. If y'all have not been tuning into the live, I've not been watching the Sunday, or if you have not watched the Sunday chart analysis, you missed out on a lot of potential setups, which is definitely important when we had, again, such a slow week this week. All the trades we took this week, as well as any other week, not only do we break down and go over at the beginning of the week, what the game plan for the week is, but then we update and change or whatever the case may be daily on the London Session Lives, right? The GN trade, we broke this down on all the London Session Lives, as well as the Sunday chart analysis. The gold move yesterday, as well as on Wednesday. We went over the Sunday chart analysis. So, again, it's very important to be tuning into that stuff, as well as the content on YouTube. Because, again, a lot of times, even lives, again, I know you answering those questions, but a lot of this stuff happening. I have videos going. So while we're live, especially because, again, price is slow. So it's not like there's crazy stuff happening. Explore the channel, look at the playlists, look at the titles, check the stuff out. You know what I'm saying? Especially this weekend. Don't just waste this weekend. Yeah, but I don't know what happened with the charts, but the indices and gold crashed after the news as far as trading is concerned. They made all-time highs anyway, so unless it does a major retracement, I'm not going to be looking for new positions on those anyways. Nah, yeah, David. They did email me on, I think it was like Monday or Tuesday. I saw that email. I totally forgot about that, though. Thanks for reminding me. Yeah, so right now, again, we have a lot of stuff that's dead right now. Then also, I think we have like, oh, okay, so we got daylight savings from other countries. That already went down in the U.S. like a couple weeks ago. It actually threw me off. Kind of messed my schedule when we got the daylight savings. I think we have, that's why. We got, what was it, Easter on Monday? Something on Monday. I think it's Easter on Monday. But yeah, we got a bunch of holidays. So we're going to be looking for something, but again, Don't be too shocked or surprised or annoyed if price is dead again, because it's been like this the entire week. We're gonna still be looking for some setups, but as you can see, price is just kind of just stagnant. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at your charts, drop them in the chat. What's going on, David? How you feeling, man? Good Friday, my lord. That is true. Good though. Can't complain, really. Can't complain at all, man. It's Friday. I'm gonna get to sleep in tomorrow. Well, some markets are closed one day. Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be one of those things. Yeah, but when things wake back up next week, you can take a look at it right here. Uh, we got the first week of the month. Next week after the holidays as well. All right, look at here, 8:15. We got ADP. Friday, 8:30. What do we got? Just like every month, right? We go to last month. All right, we go to the first week of last month. We're gonna see the same exact thing. Friday, well, not this week. Okay, let's go to the next week then. Oh yeah, well, it is February. February is one of those weird weeks. I mean, weird months. So let's do January. By the way, you guys got any questions? I can drop them in the chat. We're just killing time right now. Right, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We go to December. Well, Friday was on the the first was on a Friday, so we're gonna go to the next full week. Wednesday, 8:15, ADP, same time as this Wednesday. Well, next Wednesday, I should say. Friday, 8:30, same time. So it's going to be definitely interesting, especially because, again, we have a lot of charts where, depending on the next lows they break or the next pivot points, is either going to continue the trend or cause a reversal or trend change, right? A perfect example is when we look at GJ. Right, we are still technically bullish, but we failed to make that next higher high. But we're not bearish at either because we failed to make a lower low. We just been chilling, stuck at the support level. So a price can break the higher high to the left or break the lower high to the left to either continue the uptrend or start the downtrend. But kind of just like with GN as well. So GN isn't taking that. Well, it was until yesterday. It finally broke out of that and they can see the uptrend. So GJ is going to do either this, just like how GN did, or it's going to reject and push down. So that's what we're really waiting on. So yeah, there might be some moves today, might not. Is what it is. But good thing we caught some nice ones yesterday to end things off. I'm still holding these two positions right here. I'm gonna take this entry, wait for retracement, then I'll take that. I'm still holding these two ones from yesterday and from the original signal from Monday. And I got alerts just in case my other charts hit or meet my confirmations, but everything else, as you can see, is just kind of just chilling. GN as well, but if we zoom in, we can see it slowly trying to push up. Still respecting this low as support. Oh, it did. I stopped looking at it. Honestly, after it just kept on bugging out, I stopped looking at it. I had to redo my levels on it too. Take a look at it. Yeah, it's slowly pushing up. Those just joined the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal for your Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Those just more joining the stream. You haven't missed anything. We're just chilling in GN. We went over this in yesterday's live stream. If you haven't watched yesterday's live, that's fine. But even though it's Friday, still check out the Sunday chart analysis. Oh, I forgot I had my. I was like, what is that? I was like, why did I hear myself again? But anyways, we went over basically how yesterday went. Yesterday we took a nice gold trade as well as the GN trade. All TVs got hit. I forgot to put all TV. I always want to find some typos in my thing. All TPs got hit here. There we go. Let me fix that. All right. So we had two trades. We had a GN trade, GBP New Zealand. All TPs got hit. We caught 156 pips. Then we took a gold buy. All TPs got hit. We caught 4,400 pips. Let me pull up the gold position really quick. This one it was. This one right here. Caught that nice high, beautiful push to the upside. Broke this down during yesterday's live stream as well. And y'all could have jumped in with us. Actually, no, not here, but you could have entered off this level here. Because when the live started, we was Thursday, like around right here. I went over if it could break and hold 2205 support. You can look for continued buys going to 2220, 2225. And we can clearly see here that price broke this level, retraced, continued to hold that support. And this was at the beginning of New York, 8 o'clock, 9:30 candlestick right here. And then you can see towards the middle of New York at 12:30. That's when we hit the next price point. But this was a nice 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. So that means whatever we risked, we made 6 times that amount. So we risked $100, we made $600. $1,000, we made $6,000. So this was a nice position. So those are two positions we had yesterday. And as far as Wednesday, I just got typos left and right. Let me fix this. So I think I fixed the wrong one. I just did this because this one was correct. But I think I swapped anyways. I'll fix that if I need to after the live stream. But on Wednesday, TP5 got hit. We caught 60 pips, and then that gold trade we took on Wednesday, TP2 was only hit at that time. When we look here, we look when we enter this on Wednesday. Price was dead. It was chilling here. It didn't really start to pick up, start to take off until this was literally 2:30. This was London session. This was 6 a.m. yesterday. So it really was just chilling here from when we entered that position. Didn't really wake up and take off until the next day. And then on Tuesday, we took an EJ trade. TP1 got hit, then rejected his stop loss. And then on Monday, that was the GP New Zealand trade. I got to fix my thing because I feel like I just glitched and messed up my my recap. I'll look at that later. And again, all the trades we took, we broke down during the Sunday charting analysis as well as daily during the London session lives. I think we only took like maybe one or two positions during this week's London session lives because again, prices are going to kind of be just slow and dead. This is how we did last week. Last week we went 2-2, caught 44,588 pips. The week before that, we went 3-1. It was 75%. Before that, went 4-0. So that's how we're doing so far this month. How we did last month is just like what y'all see on y'all screen. Was 17-1. Giving us a 94% win rate. Caught a total of 24,403 pips, 24,305 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal. You can see this if you scroll to March 3rd. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of February. What you see right here is February 1st. We do recap the week at the end of every week. We do recap the month at the end of every month. So over the weekend, I'm probably going to do a recap of the month and the week. And then also, since we have a new quarter, at the beginning and end, I'm going to do a recap of the quarter next week and this weekend as well. And then if you scroll to, I believe, February 4th, you'll see how we did January. January went 20-0. That's 100% win rate. Caught 37,620 pips. So that's how we're doing so far this quarter. And then if you scroll to January 4th, you'll see how we did last quarter, which was October, November, and December. Give me 1 second. Let me get this back to Yeah, but I wouldn't be surprised if price just does this for the most of London session. Again, there might be some action when we have this news pop off later on today. But again, it's just no promises. Honestly, we just have to wait and see. Yeah, we're just chilling right now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at these charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We're almost at 2,300 subs. And then make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well, y'all. You should see that scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram is playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmakerway_. Post daily on both pages. Just posted a video a few hours ago. So make sure to check that out as well. Explore the YouTube channel while y'all up on here. What's going on, Zero? Morning, all. Happy Easter, though. Celebrating. What's going on, Zero? How you doing? Check GBPUSD. Yeah, we can check that. We can take a look at that. I might have to update my levels, but let's take a look and see. Yeah, so GU were bearish as well. So we can see right here we have this resistance level at 2640, 2650. So we can continue to hold 2645, 2650 as a resistance. We can look for sales going down to 2600. So personally, since prices said it retraces and continues to hold this level as resistance, or if it can break and hold this level as resistance here at 2600, which we can see price failed to do yesterday. Right, but we're still bearish as of now. Wouldn't really look for buys or say we're in an uptrend unless price breaks and starts holding 2690 as support. You could look for possible short-term buys if it holds 2650, 2655 as support. it starts to push up. But I don't do stuff like that. I just go with the trend and flow of price. So I'd just be looking for sales right now. So like I was saying, like I said, we're in a downtrend. So downtrend, what do we do if we're in a downtrend? If we are in a downtrend, what should we look for? Buys or sells? Let me know in the chat. If we're in a downtrend, what should we look for? Buys or sells? Let's see what the music stopped. Oh no, it didn't stop. Looks like we got some retracements going on. Sales, exactly. Right, we're in a downtrend, only look for sales. Uptrend, only look for buys. So like I was talking about with GBPUSD, like I said, we're in a downtrend. So pay attention to those price points I talked about in my explanation. I talk fast sometimes, but we're on YouTube, so just double tap to the left. Yeah, we're gonna cut this off early. I'm gonna finish editing the video. I'm gonna drop. It's gonna be dropping at the beginning of New York at 9 a.m. So be on the lookout for that. We're all gonna see what it's about. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise. All right, make sure to catch up to the other content. Again, the playlists are up to date. Make sure to check out the playlist. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. We'll be back at it next time. Same time next week. I don't know if we're gonna do Monday. I don't think I'm gonna waste my time on Monday. What do we got? Do we have holidays for damn near everything? We'll see about Monday. We'll see about Monday, but Tuesday for sure next week. London session 3 EST.